You want to build wealth. It's why so many of us start investing, hoping to find that one perfect stock that will pump endless money into our bank accounts. But it helps to look at your investments a little differently. Imagine your portfolio as an empty bucket sitting right under a flowing faucet that we'll call the stock market. The problem for most beginners isn't that the faucet stops running, it's that the water pours straight out the bottom. People rarely lose money because the stock market is unfair. They lose it because they make the exact same self-inflicted mistakes over and over again. So let's identify these invisible leaks draining your account and patch them up. We'll start with the largest and most common category, the emotional leaks. Many beginners buy a stock simply because someone on social media said it was the next big thing. If you don't know exactly why you are buying a company or exactly when you plan to sell it, you aren't investing, you're gambling. And without a plan, your emotions take the wheel. Take the hype around certain stocks, for example. By the time a stock goes viral and everyone tells you to buy, the early investors have already made their profits. This gets worse if you check your portfolio every single day. Markets are designed to move constantly. Watching every minor price fluctuation creates completely unnecessary stress. That stress leads to decisions driven by fear and greed. People excitedly buy at the highest prices, then panic and sell the moment prices fall, locking in permanent losses. Smart investors do the opposite. They make a definitive long-term plan before they buy anything, and they completely ignore the daily headlines. When you refuse to let fear and greed dictate your decisions, you survive market turbulence with a clear head. Next are the structural leaks. Even with a clear head, a poorly built portfolio sets you up to fail. For instance, never invest the cash you need for rent, bills, or daily survival. If your car breaks down during a sudden market crash, you'll be forced to sell investments at a loss to cover the emergency. Another massive structural risk is putting all your money into one single company. Even great businesses can unexpectedly struggle, and if they do, your entire net worth takes the hit. You also have to watch out for small trading commissions and fund fees. A broker taking a tiny slice of your money might seem harmless, but over many years, a 1% fee can siphon away thousands of dollars. To fix this, build up a cash emergency fund before you invest. Then spread your money across many different industries and dozens of companies. Also, make sure you look for funds that charge the lowest possible fee for managing your money. Building a solid structure protects your money from unexpected personal emergencies and those hidden institutional costs. Our final category is the time leaks, driven entirely by impatience and a lack of basic knowledge. Everyone dreams of turning $1,000 into $100,000 overnight, but trying to get rich quickly pushes beginners into incredibly risky bets that usually end in disaster. Because of that impatience, a normal dip in the market often causes beginners to give up and quit investing entirely after their very first loss. Ironically, people will spend hours researching the battery life on a new phone, but only spend 5 minutes learning what to do with their life savings. Understand basic concepts like compound growth and risk. True wealth isn't built in a few weeks. It's a slow, multi-year process. Time and patience are the ultimate multipliers. When you combine them with basic knowledge, you turn slow consistency into lasting wealth. Once your leaks are patched, your portfolio can finally capture the benefits of the market. A small, steady contribution, even just a few $100s a month, compounds into a massive amount over 20 or 30 years if it stays in the account. When the leaks are gone, wealth becomes a matter of time rather than a high-pressure, massive income. Building wealth is primarily a game of discipline and staying power, driven by avoiding the habits that drain your progress. Avoid these mistakes, let time work in your favor, and stay disciplined. Which investing mistake do you think is the most dangerous to your financial future? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more finance content.